What makes a car a global benchmark? Is it sales, reliability, or is it something more? Today, we're diving deep into the story of a car that has defined a mid-size sedan segment for decades, the Toyota Camry. Welcome to Code Mechanic. The Camry story starts back in 1982. The world was a different place, and so were cars. Toyota saw a need for a reliable, comfortable, and fuel-efficient family car that could compete on the global stage. The first-generation Camry was born, and it was an instant hit. It wasn't the flashiest car on the road, but it delivered exactly what families needed. It was practical, dependable, and affordable. This set the foundation for everything the Camry would become, though. Over the next few decades, the Camry evolved. Each new generation brought more space, more comfort, and more technology. Toyota mastered the art of listening to its customers. They didn't chase fleeting trends. They focused on perfecting the core formula. Think about the 90s models. Those cars are legendary. You still see them on the road today, which is a testament to their incredible build quality. They became synonymous with the word reliability. If you wanted a car that would start every single morning and never let you down, you bought a Camry. But Toyota knew they couldn't just rely on reliability forever. The competition was heating up, and car designs were getting more exciting. So, with recent generations, Toyota made a bold move. They decided to inject some serious style and performance into the Camry. Gone were the days of the purely functional design. The new Camrys are sharp, aggressive, and genuinely fun to drive. They feature powerful and efficient engines, including their class-leading hybrid powertrains that offer amazing fuel economy without sacrificing performance. Step inside a modern Camry, and you'll see the evolution continues. The interiors are packed with technology. From large touchscreens with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to advanced safety features like Toyota Safety Sense, this suite of driver assist technologies. With things like pre-collision systems and lane departure alerts, makes driving not just easier, but significantly safer for you and your family. Toyota has managed to blend its traditional values of safety and reliability with the modern tech and style that today's buyers demand. So, why is the Camry a global benchmark? It's because it has consistently delivered on its promises for over 40 years. It has adapted to changing times without losing its soul. It's the car your parents trusted, and it's a car you can get excited about driving today. It's a masterful blend of practicality, dependability, efficiency, and now, even passion. It's not just a car. It's a legacy built on trust, innovation, and understanding what drivers truly want. It's a benchmark because it sets the standard that all other sedans are measured against. What are your favorite Camry memories? Do you have a favorite generation? Let us know down in the comments. We love hearing your stories. Thanks for watching Code Mechanic. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on the world's most iconic cars. See you in the next one.